You
Okay.
got Zoe and Nana here opening the box. You won't believe it, but I think we did this last time. Nana did the whole thing and didn't record it, so we put it on Facebook or YouTube. So Zoe still loves her Nana, though, right? Even though
Yeah.
she's making a redo. I mean, last time we did a redo, but 10 o'clock at night, so at least earlier tonight. So with that, we go down to hands, and so we have it for the camera. And I already showed her, but we're going to do it again just so you can see it. All right, so I'm going to go down to hands, and you're patient with me. Thank you, Zoe. That's right, 10 years from now, she's going to remind me. All right, so this is the box. It's a beautiful box. Have you received yours yet?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, good. All right, so this is the box. And oh, look at you. Well, why don't you just open your box then? And you want to tell
Okay.
us all about it. All right. Okay.
Okay. Well, as she was saying, the pumpkin cute. It's so cute.
Yes,
Okay.
it is.
So we have the stamps, which are very cute. They're super
Yes,
duper cute. I love them. They're so adorable.
they are.
And we have an orchid
Orchid Oasis.
orchid oasis
Yes,
color
yes,
stamp.
yes. It's a nice
And
purple.
yeah. Oh, don't drop. Oh my
Hey.
goodness, I almost dropped it. Oh,
Mhm.
and we have the instructions. We have the
Yes, we
instructions,
do. We have the instructions.
the things to make the cute, adorable card.
That's right. That's right.
Cardboard. Oh my
Let me
gosh.
see what else we got here.
We got the cute, adorable little
Die cut. Yep.
accessories.
Yes, we
And we
do.
got some more accessories.
Yes, we do.
Very cute.
Yes,
And we
we
got
are.
some spooky, scary little
Oh,
things.
yeah.
So
I have
adorable.
to tell you, they made cute, cute cards, and I got these slicing and dicing them.
Uh-huh. Okay. Then we also got the boxes themselves. We got white ones,
Mm-hmm.
we got orange ones, and we obviously got black ones for the
Yes.
spooky
Yeah,
scariness.
that's
And the
right.
pumpkin ones and the ghost ones.
So really
And
and
then,
truly, how many are you gonna make? How many are you gonna want for your friends? Are you just gonna want 4?
yep, that's it.
All right, then I'm gonna take all the rest of yours because
We
I can give them
clearly
away.
have glue dots.
Yeah.
We clearly have glue dots,
Yes, we do.
obviously. And we have decorations. We have
Oh,
purple.
yes, yes.
We have ones that look exactly like the box.
I know, and I have to tell you what, I have used up all the plaid making cards. So we'll show that on Sunday. I will show you how I made those. Yep.
Yes.
Because it's all
And
for
we
a
have
good
white
cause.
ones.
Yep. I used them all. You know what? I even used the scraps because it's all we're creating for a cause, and it's for the children in the hospital. Do you know that there's like 500,000 children in the hospital throughout the United States? That
Wow.
includes St. Jude's and all the special hospitals like that too. It's all included in that number. That's a lot of children, right?
Yep.
So yeah.
And we have the dimensionals. We
And
have
yep,
the tape to help make the boxes.
yep.
And we have some shiny little cute stars.
Oh yes, yes. Those are nice accessories.
And we have a sneak peek for the next
Oh, I know. If I think I'm crazy about this one, I'm also looking forward to that one. I know I'm going to use that one to make. We're going to use that one to make some Christmas cards for the children in the hospital. Because right now we're doing Thanksgiving and Halloween, and I'm going to use that to make Christmas cards. Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we have a preview from, I think this was the last one that we did, or one of them.
Let me see what mine looks like here. I'm not sure. Let's
This
see.
is the fruit basket.
I just think it just tells you about Paper Pumpkin and it shows you some of the previous kits. Let me see. Yeah, so it just tells you. So you're right. It tells you about the Paper Pumpkin perks, right? Because it's all inclusive stamp. Everything's in the box. What else you got there in the box? You got something else?
No. I just had a little scrap.
So that's all it was. It was just telling you about that it's seasonal designs and that it's all inclusive and, you know, got exclusive stamps. You can't get the stamps anywhere else. You can only get them in Paper Pumpkin. And that's what's so nice about it too, right? Because it's a limited edition. Because if you don't get it by the 10th of the month and order it, then you won't be able to get it. You have to be a subscriber. And if they have refills, you can get refills. But if they don't, then you can't. Like last month with the Sweet Sunflowers, there were no refills. They sold out. So yeah, so I think they're gonna sell out also on this ho 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 because it's Christmas time and it's got a beautiful box. So anything else, Sunshine?
Nope, that was it.
That was it. Did you finish that pumpkin pie?
Yes.
All right. I guess we can
Good.
tell everybody bye then, and we look forward to seeing you on Sunday.
Bye.
Bye. We'll look forward to seeing you on Sunday with Zoe and Nana Stamping at 4 o'clock p.m. Central Time. And we will give away 3 door prizes, as well as showing you how to make the treat boxes. And we're going to show you how Nana up here and made some of these different cards from the stuff in the kit. All right. I look forward to seeing you on Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.